I lost 142 pounds without cheating on the keto diet. I lost my mom when I was 13, but it wasn't until I was in my early 20s that I realized I'd turned to food to cope with her loss. The breakthrough came during an Overeaters Anonymous (OA) meeting in 2019. I was 378 pounds at the time, and while being in the support group and identifying my problems with food helped me jumpstart my weight loss process, I lost 78 pounds through calorie counting. It was only temporary. Soon after I lost the weight the first time, I landed a desk job and met my partner, and before I knew it, I was back up to 350 pounds. I'd become sedentary, and since our dates revolved around dining out, I overindulged and lost control of my weight again. I felt both happily in love, and awfully overweight, and I knew something had to change. That's when a friend recommended the ketogenic diet, a high-fat, low-carb diet that aims to put you into ketosis. I immediately jumped in, and started the keto diet on September 18, 2017. TBH, the keto diet was an adjustment. I struggled to rethink what had become the norm for me. If I was hungry, for example, I couldn't just go make a sandwich anymore. Eating wasn't all about convenience anymore, but after I lost my first 20 pounds, I felt even more motivated on the diet. My support system also helped with my lifestyle change. My friends were and are considerate of my lifestyle, and my partner happily eats all of the keto meals I prepare. My father also started the diet with me and has lost 100 pounds, so I've never felt alone in this weight loss journey. Aside from the keto diet, I also cut out cheat days. I am constantly resisting the temptation to binge eat, and for that reason, I can't have cheat meals or cheat days because they'll turn into cheat weeks. That doesn't mean I never indulge, but I've found new, healthier keto-friendly snacks to indulge in, and I only do it when I'm really craving something. Now that I'm focused on eating when I'm hungry and not out of habit, these are the meals I'll have to stay on track. Breakfast. I realized I only ate breakfast out of habit, so I don't usually eat in the mornings anymore, but I will have coffee with heavy cream, and tons of water. Lunch, an omelette with loads of veggies and cheese, and maybe bacon on the side. Dinner, Alfredo sauce and shrimp over new pasta, a keto pasta alternative, or any type of meat with veggies.